Debashni, how are you?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So you're calling from Mumbai right now?
Yes, right now I'm in Mumbai.
Debashni, are you Bong? Because your
Yes,
name's
I'm Bengali.
Bengali, but you grew up in Mumbai only?
I was born in Darjeeling,
Oh,
which is in West Bengal, and then I did my schooling there, and I moved to Mumbai. But I'm now more of Mumbaiker than that because I've lived half of my life here. So I started living here in 2004, so I've lived almost more than half of my life here. So yeah, you
mm,
can call me, I'm a Mumbaiker now.
Mumbai. But you do keep going back to Darjeeling? Do you have family there?
Yes, I have my mother there now, but my
Hmm.
mother lives with me also, so right now she's here.
Hmm.
So otherwise, I go. This year also I went even after lockdown.
Okay,
I made a visit to Darjeeling during Durga Puja.
Durga Puja. So
Yes.
I think so are you matlab, do you follow a lot of Bong traditions, food, lifestyle, etc.?
Yes, I do. I love Bengali food. I love Bengali culture. I like other cultures also. I celebrate all the festivals
Hmm.
and
Hmm. Hmm.
everything that is possibly celebrated in India. But yeah, I'm very fond of Bengal. My culture, um,
Hmm.
tradition,
Hmm.
outfit, food. Of course, Bengalis are very foodie. I'm sure
Hmm.
you're aware of it. So yeah, I love Bengali food.
No, I have a lot of Bong friends, and Biryani by Kilo. We opened two outlets in Calcutta and Bhubaneswar, and we're opening more outlets in Calcutta. We're also opening our outlet in Guwahati. So I think we've got a lot of love from the Bengali people, and they're loving our biryani, be it be Hyderabadi or Lucknowi or Calcutta. How was your experience of Biryani by Kilo food? You are a foodie, I think.
Yeah, I'm a big foodie, and also I love to cook,
Oh
and
wow.
I love cooking biryani and different kind of biryani. So
Hmm.
Hyderabadi biryani is my all-time favorite, and
Wow.
that is what I tasted from Biryani by Kilo. And
Huh.
I've been to Hyderabad couple of times, and I've had biryani of different places of Hyderabad. And the kind of biryani you serve, like biryani by Kilo serve, like especially the Hyderabadi biryani, is amazing. It's so authentic. That is the
Hmm.
best part because there's no modification in it.
Right.
Sometime what happens is wherever if the restaurant is in Mumbai, so they try to put the flavor of Mumbai, according to the taste of the people of Mumbai. But here I have seen that there's no change in flavor and taste. It's totally authentic, and the speciality is it's served in that mud pot, which makes it more interesting and presentable and gives that authenticity to the food. So, yeah, that is what I love about biryani by
और मैं
kilo.
आप देवाश्री बिरयानी बाई किलो का एक यूएसपी बता दूं कि हाउ वी आर डिफरेंट इज कि हम लोग जब कस्टमर का ऑर्डर आता है तभी उस बिरयानी को उस हांडी में दम कुक करना शुरू करते हैं एंड इट इज दम कुक्ड इन द सेम हांडी इन विच इट इज डिलीवर्ड टू द कस्टमर इट्स फ्रेश हाइजीनिक सेफ एंड वेरी हाई क्वालिटी इंग्रेडिएंट जैसे काफी लोग ना बना के रख देते हैं गर्म करके तो वी डोंट डू इट तो इट्स वेरी ऑथेंटिक वेरी हाई क्वालिटी राइस मीट स्पाइसेस सो आई थिंक वी फॉलो दैट
Exactly. That is what I have experienced myself. And when the biryani like came to my house, I saw it was too fresh, and I didn't have to heat it. Though the heating pot is also given, but I didn't need it because it was so fresh. And the rice, the quality of rice and the pieces, the meat pieces are very good because usually अगर आप कहीं और बिरयानी मंगाते हो तो पीसेस भी अच्छे नहीं देते, लेकिन आप लोग ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इसको प्रेजेंट किया और क्वालिटी और ऑथेंटिसिटी दोनों को बैलेंस करके like it was amazingly presented and served. So yeah, you guys are doing amazing job. And another thing, there's another thing that I tried from Biryani by Kilo is nihari,
बटर
nadi
निहारी
nihari. Yeah. Oh my God, it is delicious. I've never tasted that kind of biryani. I mean, nihari
अरे,
before. It just melted in my mouth.
हम्म,
यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं ना, प्री कुक लाइक जल्दी प्रेशर कुकर में बना के दे देते हैं शायद, बिकॉज आई एम अ कुक, दैट्स व्हाई आई नो ऑल दिस
you,
टेक्निक्स।
you
क्योंकि
know,
खाने को आप ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से बनाने के लिए स्लो कुक करना पड़ता है,
look,
स्पेशली निहारी को 8 आवर्स, एटलीस्ट 7 to 8 आवर्स रिक्वायर्स। बट यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं ना, प्रेशर कुकर में बना के भेज देते हैं जल्दी जल्दी के चक्कर में, एंड
हम्म,
देन बट निहारी मैंने बहुत जगह टेस्ट किया है। द बेस्ट निहारी आई टेस्टेड इज बाय यू गाइस,
thank you
एंड
so much.
आई रियली
But did
अप्रिशिएट
you eat it with a rumali roti और उल्टे तवे का पराठा by biryani by kilo? You
it।
had
No, no, I'm not a roti person, so I ordered only biryani and nihari, and kebabs are also
हाँ,
amazing.
I think you ordered mutton galoti as well. We are known for our mutton galotis.
Yes, yes, kebab. So I ordered two type of kebabs. One is sheikh and one is galati.
Hmm.
Both are amazing. I mean, the taste is so good.
Did you try our firni as well?
I'm not a sweet person again, so yeah. Being a Bengali, I'm not a sweet person. That's like very
Really?
unlikely.
That's blasphemy.
Yes, 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 yes. But yeah, I have not. But otherwise, whatever I've ordered, I loved it. We all, my family loved it, and it's amazing.
Also, I'll say, biryani by kilo is now around 25 Indian cities: Delhi NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Calcutta, Patna, Jaipur. So we are in Lucknow, Kanpur. So people can order a lot of different places, and they can order from our website biryanibykilo.com or from our call center, which is 9555212212, और Zomato, I think. And I think, पर आपको देख के लगता नहीं है, आप जितना फूड की बात कर रहे हैं, बिरयानी, बटर निहारी, आपको यू आर सो फिट एंड सो लीन थिन, आप ये सब खाते होगे, आपको देखकर तो नहीं
See, I'm a health conscious person, but
लगता।
luckily, like I'm blessed that my metabolism is very higher side. So मैं सब खाती हूँ, but yeah, in moderation. Not like every day मैं बिरयानी खाती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. Especially during weekends, I cheat. Otherwise, every day, like in a week during the weekdays, I try to eat clean घर का. But another thing about biryani by kilo is it's not at all unhealthy, because
Yes,
मैंने
yes,
बहुत जगह से बिरयानी खाई है, तो I can say that बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली हो जाता है, कभी कभी बहुत
बिल्कुल
ज़्यादा घी डालते हैं, बट बिरयानी बाय किलो में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आई मीन इट्स माई एकदम ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू, बिकॉज मैंने एकदम ज्यादा घी ज्यादा तेल बिल्कुल भी नहीं देखा. इनफैक्ट था ही नहीं, जितना जरूरत होता है उतना ही था. सो इट्स नॉट अनहेल्दी ऑल्सो.
not an
सो
idea.
सॉरी, आई एम गेटिंग डाइवर्टेड फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन. हाँ, मैं हेल्थ कॉन्शियस हूँ. मैं फिट इसीलिए हूँ क्योंकि मैं क्लीन खाती हूँ. मैं मॉडरेशन में खाती हूँ, लेकिन मैं सब कुछ खाती हूँ. और मेरा BMR बहुत फास्ट है, तो मैं बहुत जल्दी डाइजेस्ट कर लेती हूँ. तो मैं इसीलिए यू नो, of course I exercise, I drink a lot of water, I try to eat fruits at least once a day. I drink a lot of juices, and then detox tea, detox drinks, kadha nowadays. That
Yeah.
has, we have to incorporate that in our daily. We have now after the COVID situation. So ये सब करके like I try to balance, you know. I eat sometimes junk and I eat clean, and then that's how I balance. So taste भी रह जाता है और health भी रह जाता है.
Quite, I think the moderation and balance is the.
Exactly, exactly.
पर आपका मैं Instagram देख रहा था, I think people, I think you know fitness and makeup quite well. तो makeup और fitness की बहुत लोग आपसे tips लेते रहते हैं शायद.
जी, I मेरे actually I love traveling. तो I am into fitness and health and skincare. Makeup, of course, I'm not so much of a makeup person. तो ज़्यादातर मेरे से like I try to talk about more of skincare and health and fitness, of course. तो हाँ,
कुछ
but
अगर आप कुछ शॉर्ट में फिटनेस की या स्किन केयर की टिप्स दे सकते हैं फॉर द व्यूअर्स, इट विल बी हेल्पफुल कुछ
See,
विच।
uh,
हाँ।
sure, definitely. See, I'm not a guru, I'm not a mentor, I'm not an expert in it. ये सब जो भी मैं करती आई हूँ, it's out of lot of education. मैं पढ़ती हूँ, मैं चीज़ें देखती हूँ, मैंने अपने खुद के अंदर वो experiences मतलब वो सब करके out of my experience I'm going to say whatever I'm going to say, so don't judge me if I am somewhere. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, like what I have done and have seen changes in my life is fitness and skin. Both comes from your what you eat first. That is the most important thing. Then externally what you do. तो फिटनेस के लिए भी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट होता है कि आप सही खाए पहले. यू मस्ट ईट करेक्ट, यू मस्ट ईट क्लीन, देन ऑफ कोर्स you have to exercise. Exercise doesn't mean you have to go to the gym. You can also run, you can walk, you can do any kind of physical exercise. Drink a lot of water, that is very very important. At least 2 to 3 liters of water I drink. I try to incorporate a lot of greens in my diet, like green vegetables, fruits, juices, vegetable juices. ये सब चीज I try to incorporate, and this is for both. This is for skin as well as for health. Because to get that glowy skin and beautiful clear skin, you have to eat clean. There's no, आप ऊपर से जितना भी लगा लो, अगर आपके अंदर से internally if you're not clean, आपके ब्रेकआउट्स होंगे, आपके स्किन में रैशेस आएंगे, आपके चेहरे पे कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो ही जाएगा, दिखेगा. तो ये दोनों चीजें पहले पेट से स्टार्ट होता है, बाद में आप स्किन केयर कीजिए. आपको जो प्रोडक्ट सूट होते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि हाई एंड प्रोडक्ट्स ही यूज करना है. आपकी स्किन को जो सूट करता है, आपका ऑयली स्किन है तो उस हिसाब से आप प्रोडक्ट्स यूज कीजिए. Cleansing, toning and moisturizing, these are the 3 steps I follow. Cleaning skin is very important. आप अगर मेकअप अप्लाई करते हैं हर रोज तो उसको निकालिए ज़रूर. अगर मेकअप अप्लाई नहीं भी करते, दो टाइम वॉश करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. उसके बाद कोई भी आप मॉइस्चराइजर जो आपको सूट करता है वो यूज़ कीजिए. So that is what I follow. Makeup is only to highlight your features. I don't do makeup every day. I do it in very moderation just to, look a little presentable. That's it. तो मेकअप से चेहरा मत छुपाइए, चेहरे को सुंदर बनाइए, मेकअप से हाईलाइट कीजिए. दैट इज माय फन.
So I think that's a very very subtle and important point कि मेकअप से कुछ छुपा नहीं रहे, आप उसको हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं, एक्सेंचुएट कर रहे हैं, which is already beautiful. पाने की बजाय एक्सेंचुएट कर रहे हैं ब्यूटी को.
Exactly.
And what about positive thoughts? Does positive thoughts also play a role in fitness and good skincare?
Yeah, that is a very good point that you highlighted, because I feel it's very important to be mentally healthy, especially in this time we go through, and especially after COVID, during COVID. After COVID भी अभी नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि वैक्सीन आने के बाद भी हम लोगों तक पहुंचा नहीं है. तो ये सब तो ठीक है, ये तो एक्सटर्नल चीज़ें हैं जो दवाई वगैरह, बट हमें इंटरनली मेंटली हेल्दी रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर हम मेंटली हेल्दी नहीं रहेंगे, स्ट्रेस रहेगा हमारे अंदर, तो इट विल शो इन आवर बॉडी एंड ऑल्सो स्किन पे भी दिखेगा. अगर आपको स्ट्रेस होता है, मैं अगर स्ट्रेस लेती हूँ, मुझे अगर नींद लाइक इफ आई डोंट स्लीप वेल, मेरे फेस पे दाने आ जाते हैं, रैशेस आ जाते हैं, डार्क सर्कल आ जाएंगे. तो पॉजिटिव रहना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, खुश रहना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. और मुझे लगता है जब तक आप खुद खुश नहीं हैं, आप बाहर से नहीं दिखा सकते, वो चेहरे पे दिखेगा. और आप if you're not happy, you cannot make others also happy. So positivity attracts positivity. So if you feel good about yourself, you look good. If you feel happy, you look happy, you look confident. और उसी से आपके चेहरे पे ग्लो आएगा, so
I think that is also positivity, clean eating, and in moderation, and I think a lot of liquids, a lot of fluids. I think all that, and fitness.
Exactly, exactly.
And
And मैं तो सारे यंगस्टर्स को,
hmm,
यंगस्टर्स ही नहीं सभी को मैं यही बोलूँगी कि सबसे पहले आप खुश रहने की कोशिश कीजिए।
hmm,
जो भी जिस चीज़ से भी आपको खुशी मिले, छोटी से छोटी चीज़,
hmm,
चाहे वो कुकिंग हो, चाहे वो मेडिटेशन हो, पेट्स हो, जो भी चीज़ आपको खुशी देती है वो कीजिए। गिव अ लॉट ऑफ सेल्फ टाइम।
hmm,
अपने आप के साथ टाइम बिताना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है। और इस
hmm,
कोविड सिचुएशन ने हमें ये समझा दिया है कि यू नो
hmm. We are our own best friends, and our family and ourselves, I think, are most important.
exactly, exactly. And the most important battle we have won is we have survived the situation. We
Right,
have we have this life, so appreciate this life. Have a lot of gratitude for what you have. That is exactly what I have learned during
hmm,
this situation. That have a lot of gratitude. इस सिचुएशन में छोटी सी छोटी चीज़ों की अहमियत हमें समझ में आई है, और
right,
उसके लिए हमें ये सिचुएशन ख़त्म होने के बाद भी हमें वो ग्रैटिट्यूड फील करना चाहिए,
right.
अहमियत महसूस करना चाहिए लाइफ में कि देखो जब सब खत्म हो जाता है तो यही इम्पोर्टेंट है।
ये इम्पोर्टेंट है, आपकी हेल्थ, आप अपने आप, आपकी फैमिली, एंड समथिंग वेरी बेसिक विच यू लाइक। आई थिंक यू हैव टू लिव फाइनली विद योरसेल्फ।
एग्जैक्टली, एग्जैक्टली।
And what about your? I think we didn't talk about your acting career. So I think how passionate are you about acting? क्या projects कर रहे हैं आप अभी? कुछ बताइए अगर कुछ कर।
Of course, acting is like my first love, you know.
हम्म,
I would say that मेरा पहला प्यार है acting,
हम्म,
and there's no happiness that I get other than acting, other than performing in front of the camera, being on the set, right
हम्म,
from reaching to the set, going to the makeup room, applying makeup, reading script, going in front of this camera, doing rehearsals with my co-stars, and just hearing this two line, light camera action, ये चीज, that's my kick in life. तो ये चीज मिसिंग रहा है of course due to COVID situation.
हम्म,
I was मैंने so I have started my career with this show called Chandramukhi for DD1. Then I have done few episodics for Star Plus called Arjun. Then
हम्म,
Few Files for Z, Haunted
हम्म,
Nights for Sahara 1. Then I did a big daily show, daily soap, which is for Star Plus called Suhani Se Ek Ladki, which ran for 3 years. So that
wow,
actually gave me name, fame, everything, and was
हम्म,
appreciated. My character was appreciated, and I was
हम्म,
known because of that show. So I have a lot of gratitude for that show. So after that I did theater, and recently not recently, last year I signed a show which was supposed to go on the floor in March 2020, but due to um, the situation, of course we could not go on the floor. So abhi the situation will start, like it's getting better, so I'll start shooting soon. I have already shot for a web series. I've
हम्म,
done for Amazon Prime. I'm doing one web series. उसका first schedule मैंने कर लिया है। तो जैसे ही सिचुएशन और बेहतर होगा, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, बहुत सारे, जैसे हमने वो सारे सीक्वेंस ख़त्म किए जो क्लोज शॉट्स हैं, जिसमें
हम्म,
ज़्यादा लोग ज़रूरत नहीं है। अभी जो ज़्यादा लोगों की ज़रूरत है वो सारे शूट विथ रूल्स के साथ अभी पॉसिबल नहीं है ज़्यादा क्राउड के साथ शूट करना। जब होगा विल कंप्लीट। सो ऑफ कोर्स या these two projects I'm doing, one is for Colors, it's a daily soap, and one is for Amazon Prime. It's a web series, and
ये
hopefully jaldi aayega.
what kind of genres you like thrillers, comedy, daily soap? Any particular you like more, or you want to be a part of, or kind of roles you want to do?
I want to do characters which has a lot of layers.
Lot of.
Yeah. So there's no particular genre that I want to do. मैंने already comedy कर लिया है, so maybe that would like that is not my preference now, but other than that, romantic हो, thriller हो, social cause के ऊपर हो, the characters which is very complex, gray, um, every human being is gray. Nobody is like
right
100% positive or 100% negative. तो हमारे इंसान के अंदर जो ऑर्गेनिकली लेयरिंग होती है, ह्यूमन साइक, वो ऐसे टाइप के कॉम्प्लेक्स कैरेक्टर मैं करना चाहती हूँ जो मुझे करने में मजा भी आए, एंड आई लर्न आल्सो समथिंग न्यू. सो या.
So any any movies, web series you've seen which was more complex, which you liked, कि ऐसे मेरे को करनी है कुछ, you कोई याद आ रही है आपको?
Okay, my dream role is Daenerys Targaryen from Game of Thrones. But
Oh, wow.
ऐसा कुछ बनेगा इंडिया में पता नहीं बनेगा, तो I would love to do that kind of role, because that character is उसके अंदर इतने सारे layers है, उसका growth and graph of that character is so much so कि she was so weak initially, and then how she grew. It was not only about fantasy and dragons, it was about the emotional changeover that she went through, and there was so much of layers in her character, love, hate, vengeance, and then romance, then uske andar mamta, motherhood, and of course that fighting spirit and that warrior spirit. वो ऐसा कुछ कैरेक्टर, तो इट्स लाइक माय ड्रीम रोल. वो पता नहीं होगा या नहीं, आई होप होगा. वैसा कुछ मैं करना चाहूंगी. अदर देन दैट, जो नॉर्मल, आई लाइक दिस शो इन सोनी कॉल्ड बेहद. Jennifer is she's the protagonist of the show. The show is not, I think it's over. Second season is over, I think. So she is the protagonist. Being a protagonist, she's negative. Like she's not negative, but उसके अंदर बहुत सारी complexity है. तो sometimes she's very good, positive, and sometimes she goes through a lot of psychological trauma, and due to that she becomes like negative, and ये सब है. तो ऐसे characters मैं करना चाहूंगी.
No, I think God willing, and we'll all pray you, because I think you have so much talent and understanding of human emotion. Yeah, I think you should get those kind of layered characters which can, harness your talent the way you want, I think. No, और इसके अलावा acting, you do, fitness, you do traveling. What else, what people don't know about Debashri, what else do you like? कुछ painting, poetry, something else you like?
Through my Instagram, people must be knowing about my love for traveling, so that I will not talk about. One thing, I've already mentioned that I love cooking. Oh. I love to read books.
What you like to read? Fiction, non-fiction, some particular genres?
I like both. I like to read fiction and non-fiction both. Non-fiction, I like to read more of motivational books, more of books like Secret, How to Heal Your Life. So this kind of books which brings in a lot of positivity and makes you think and dream bigger. So that kind of book. I read a lot of Buddhism book because I like that philosophy, and I somehow apply that philosophy in my life also, and live a life of that sort.
But this is important, just because you, I think, are able to really go to the you can capture the essence of something. तो Buddhism का आपको, जैसे कि for people who don't know, what do you find the essence which resonates with you?
So Buddhism, Buddha itself, Buddha is not a God, भगवान नहीं है. बुद्धा का literal term है the enlightened one. मतलब the enlightened one is someone who is in the enlightenment form. जिस फॉर्म में आपको कोई भी चीज अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा, and that's the most happiest form, happiest life state. तो बुद्धिज्म में ये बताया जाता है that I am a Buddha, you are a Buddha, and everybody is Buddha. Everybody is potential Buddha. The fight is how do you tap that Buddhism, the Buddhahood in Buddhahood in you. So Buddhahood is that highest life state. So uh, and and that is one thing, that you are a Buddha. You have that Buddhahood in you, and you can um, tap that Buddhahood in you. Of course, there's a process of doing it. And the second essence that I like is I'm a Buddha, so you are a Buddha. So if I'm a Buddha, I'm worthy of respect, then the other person is also Buddha, and that person is also worthy of respect. So treating yourself like Buddha and treating every individual like Buddha means respecting yourself and respecting every individual like you yourself, like your life. You know, how do you respect your life? The way you respect your life, you must respect other lives also, and treat everyone equally. Basically, it's treating everyone equally with equal respect and giving respect to every individual, no matter what race, caste, religion, background, country, no matter what, you know, every individual is equal. So these are the two concepts I love from Buddhism. Buddhism is vast, it is very deep. I've been reading since 2007. I'm applying this philosophy in my life. So you can understand how long, but still I don't know a lot about it, so it's very deep. But every day you learn a new thing from it. So basically it teaches to become happy, and it teaches you to make others happy. So basically it's happiness for oneself and others. So creating that environment where you are happy and the surrounding is also happy, and taking that responsibility also, that if I'm meeting one person today, I'll respect that person like a Buddha, and I will try to do something to make that person happy, you know.
And also, I think what's very important, you said you have to treat yourself also as Buddha and respect yourself also in your life.
Yes.
Yourself as an enlightened one and other people. So once I think that you uplifted the whole humankind, once we started treating everyone as Buddha.
Yes.
So I think it's very important and very nicely put. So I think I asked the right question. I think because you get to the essence of things quite well. So you were able to also tell all of us, I think it is. So I think, but maybe this side of you, maybe people might not know, or your viewers, people the side, I think.
Because this is something that I don't talk, or if the situation arises like you asked me, I have spoken, otherwise I have not spoken about it.
तो आप meditation वगैरह भी करते हैं बुद्धिज्म में? I think chanting and all.
Yeah, I do chanting. I do
chanting. I think
I do chanting, and I read a lot of Buddhist book. Basically, the philosophy of Buddha I read, and there are a lot of books.
Buddhism also has a lot of streams, right? A lot of different streams.
Yeah, there are a lot of there are a lot different kind of Buddhism. There's Hinayana Buddhism, there's Mahayana Buddhism. Mahayana Buddhism is something that I follow.
You follow Mahayana?
Yeah. So Hinayana is basically people who hin means small, Maha means big. तो उसी से डिफरेंस पता चल जाता है. बेसिकली क्या होता है, there's one Buddhism जिसमें आपको सब कुछ छोड़ के monk बनने का, that's one Buddhism. And the Buddhism I follow is for the latter day of the law. Latter day is this day, means हिंदी में आप कलियुग बोल सकते हैं, जहाँ पे it says that earthly desires are enlightenment. Means आपको ऐसे earthly desires रखना चाहिए जो आपको fight करने में मजबूर कर दे और उस चीज से आपको enlightenment मिले. It means that you don't have to leave the earthly desires, but the earthly desire should be such that it leads you to enlightenment.
Wow. But give us one example. What can be that desire which leads one to enlightenment?
Okay. So suppose I want to be an actor, for example. I want to become an actor. I want to um, get such kind of role. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए I will pray, I will chant, I will grow, I will make effort in my life, I will do things. It will give me wisdom to do work on myself. Like then when I started chanting for my career, for my work, मुझे wisdom आया कि मुझे फिल्म स्कूल ज्वाइन करना चाहिए. तो मैंने फिल्म स्कूल ज्वाइन किया, उससे मेरा ग्रोथ हुआ. ठीक है, उसके बाद आई हैव वर्कड ऑन माय एक्टिंग स्किल्स, आई मेक एफर्ट इन माय लाइफ. So things which makes me grow in my life will lead me to enlightenment and make me a happier and brighter person. So this is one example. So earthly desires, this kind of earthly desires, suppose, and also to help people, you know. जैसे कि you can help in any way. जैसे कि I want to get this kind of money so that I can help the animal of my building. So this thing people don't know much about me, that I feed around 20 dogs of my building and around 15 to 20 cats in my building. I have taken that responsibility. Now that is my earthly desire. My desire to get this kind of money so that I can help this kind of things. So this kind of desires which leads you to enlightenment, which makes you a higher person, you know, a greater self. So there's another concept called greater self and lesser self. Lesser self itself says that you're a smaller person, जो सिर्फ खुद के लिए सोचता है, जो लिमिटेड सोच, जो क्रिप करते हैं, like lot of negativity. Greater self is someone who thinks about others. तो वो इंसान खुद भी लाइफ में ग्रो करते हैं. Because I want to help, I take care of animal का, because मुंबई छोड़िए, पूरे इंडिया में, मुंबई में तो फिर भी अच्छा है, एनिमल्स के हेल्थ के लिए डॉक्टर्स, मेडिकल सिस्टम बहुत खराब है यहाँ पे. तो I don't want to talk about it. It's very emotional part of me. This year I lost 3 cats. मेरे पास 4 cats थे and 1 dog. So I had 5 pets in my home in Mumbai. तो मैंने 3 cats को this year during COVID, in the month of May, I lost 2 cats in 10 days. They died, and recently 1 cat died because of the medicals. Because यहाँ पे डॉक्टर अच्छे नहीं हैं. जब my dog was this happened this year, but 1 साल पहले my dog was very badly, he was in a very critical situation. तो उसके लिए एम्बुलेंस तक नहीं था, you know, यहाँ पे अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है ये सब चीज़ों का. So then I contribute to all these causes. कि उनके एक एम्बुलेंस के लिए I contributed. So I do all these things. This kind of desires leads you to enlightenment. That's I'm talking about it इसीलिए क्योंकि I'm giving you an example, you know, what you asked.
The way you connected desires with enlightenment is beautiful. I think, you know, I think you really captured it. And I think also desires become someone's destiny also. And how much you desire the desire and the struggle and pain you go through it to achieve them also makes you a better human being. That struggle and that pain. And also if you can, like you were saying, connect it with some ulterior, you know, good motives and good deeds, they all become finally connected. But you captured it very well, I think. So
thank you. Yeah, so this reading of this kind of books really makes you many told you I'm a very good human being, but I'm on the way, and I'm in the process of getting better and better. And self-centeredness से बाहर आना, it makes you a better person.
You are like, anyone who's you know, doing this can make out you are a very kind and a very learned and a very deep person. पर आपको लगता है कई बार people the mindset is कि you know actress या bloggers that they are a bit shallow, they are not so deep. Do you get that mindset or
Yes.
attitude from people?
Yes, I know that people have this kind of perception.
Hmm.
People judge. I'm not saying ये पूरा सच नहीं है, होंगे ऐसे भी shallow and all, but then मेरा कहना ये है कि जब तक आप इंसान को जानोगे नहीं, आप नहीं समझ पाओगे कि वो
नहीं.
इंसान डीप है या नहीं है.
Hmm.
It's very easy to judge from outside.
Hmm.
This is one quality. This is one thing that I this is one thing that I don't like about people, that they are very judgmental. आप किसी के बारे में जानते नहीं हो और पहले ही बोल देते हो कि ये इंसान. और
Yeah.
मैं तो सोशल मीडिया like I'm very thankful to social media. See, it's like a blank paper. Social media is like blank paper. और आपके हाथ में कलम दिया जाता है, फिर आपके ऊपर है आप क्या, what you'll make out of it, what story will you write. आप इसमें hatred भी लिख सकते हो, आप उसमें अच्छी सी एक poetry भी लिख सकते हो, आप उसमें बहुत सारे meaningful चीज़ें भी लिख सकते हो, and that you have to put across to your audience. अब ये आपके हाथ में है, सोशल मीडिया का कोई गलती नहीं है. In fact, it has given opportunity to so many people who could not do anything in life, and now they are creating, making effort, doing their bits. चाहे जैसे भी करो, उनके effort के लिए I think हमें appreciation करना चाहिए. You know,
I think it's
I'm very thankful to social media because इन्होंने कितने लोगों को काम दिया है.
we are talking today because of social media.
Yes,
and,
of course.
and social media
ये
is
चीज possible हुआ है because of social media.
it's just a tool. It's for us humans to see how to use a tool. A knife can be used to cook, a knife can be used to kill someone. So I think it's a tool. How do you use anything is an intent what matters.
Yeah, one thing I really one thing that of course it comes from Buddhism again, creating value, you know. So आपके पास कुछ भी दिया जाए, how do you create value out of it? It's in your hand. So the intention should be always creating value. Or social media से you can create value and put it across to your audience, and audience के ऊपर है वो उससे क्या लेते हैं. There are so many ways you can create value. So that should be the intention, not hatred. जो लोग कुछ कर नहीं पाते सोशल मीडिया में, वही हेट करते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि they don't have anything to offer to people. ट्राई तो करो, अगर नहीं कर सकते हो तो दूसरों को डिसरेस्पेक्ट भी मत करो, दूसरों के एफर्ट्स को डिसरेस्पेक्ट मत करो. मेरा कहना ये है, अगर आपसे नहीं हो रहा है, जो कर रहे हैं उनको डिमोटिवेट मत करो.
And I think if someone is productive and positive, I don't think anyone will think or do anything negative towards anyone. I think वो productivity or positivity बहुत जरूरी है. Like you said, वो value add करना. And I think, but you're a very deep person. It is, actually very nice. I learned a lot talking to you about Buddhism, about how you add value, about greater self, about the enlightened one. I think I was this much more than I gained while talking to you, and I'm sure the viewers. So, on that note, like to say two things. First of all, keep ordering from Biryani by Kilo. It's very safe. We have a safety tab on our website. We have, more than 1,000 employees, 25 cities, our biryanis, kormas, kebabs, and people can order from our Biryani by Kilo website, or we have All India call center number 9555-212-212, or our app, or through Zomato, Swiggy. And we really, really wish you're such a deep person, positive person, kind person, the way you're taking care of cats, dogs, your understanding of Buddhism, the way you follow, and so many, you are so talented, from fitness to acting to so many things. I think really, really wonderful. I feel very positive just by talking to you. And anything you want to say before you leave, any comments you want to take, any message you want to give, or say about anything about your project, anything you want to say.
Well, yeah, I would request everyone to first of all order from Biryani by Kilo, of course. The food
Thank
is
you.
delicious, people. I am not saying because I'm here. I'm saying because I've tasted, I've eaten, not only once but twice, and in future also I'm going to order more. It's amazing, must try food. Secondly, yeah, we are going through a tough situation. We are almost over it. So, those who have made it, congratulations. Let's celebrate life. Life is very, very precious than anything else. So, let's appreciate our life, appreciate people around us, appreciate people who love and care for us, and um, give a lot of love and happiness to yourself first, because I feel if you are not happy, you cannot make others happy. So पहले आप खुश रहिए and then make others as well happy. Eat a lot of good food, stay healthy, stay fit, take care of all the rules and regulation, be safe, do not go out without mask and sanitizer. We know the drill. And create a lot of value in your life and celebrate your life. That's all I'd say.
And also love animals, eh? Like you.
Also love animals as well as human, but animals more because they are ignored by a lot of people, so they don't get that much of love जितना उन्हें चाहिए. So please, जितना भी कर सको आप करो. एनजीओ के थ्रू मत कर, नहीं भी कर सकते खुद कीजिए. मैं पर्सनली करती हूँ. I don't do it through any NGO. I do it myself with my own hand. I feed them.
That's
So,
very nice.
even if you can do it to one, just do it. So that's it.
No, you're very positive, very kind, and it's really wonderful talking to you. We wish you all the best, and do keep ordering biryani by kilo. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. It was lovely talking to you, and it turned out to be a value-creating
Yes,
conversation.
yes, creating conversation. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a great time.
You too. You too.